Good morning. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I teach driver's education. I'm going to talk about the 10 reasons why you need to learn how to drive, and it's a lifelong skill. Let's get right into it. Number one, it's expensive. The expense to learn how to drive is going up. Labor shortage and as well as skilled laborers, I'm a skilled worker and I have certifications to prepare me for driver's education. Lessons are anywhere from $75 to $150. You need to be prepared. You want to look for a highly qualified teacher. You want to make sure the driver's ed car is clean, is safe, and they have the necessary credentials. Number two, convenience. Many classes are online because of the pandemic, and this is convenient for me as an instructor, as well as you as a student or adult. You want to look for classes that are after school, late evening, or on the weekends. We all want convenience. Number three, confidence. Driving builds confidence. It builds confidence to take care of your vehicle. It builds confidence to get out and start your car and get in and drive. It takes confidence to go to a huge metropolitan area such as downtown LA. When you drive, you build confidence, you build consistency. It can be very overwhelming. Next, career. You're going to need a vehicle to get yourself back and forth to a downtown Metro Detroit, downtown Dallas, downtown Chicago, or heaven forbid, New York. Having a car allows you to get up in the morning, prepare yourself, get your shirt and tie on, and get your dress on, feel good about yourself and professional. And then you drive to work, you park your car, you lock your vehicle, and then you go into work. Social. We all are social. It's important that you develop a good friend network. My daughter's considered the mom of the group. When you have a car, this allows you to travel, to interact with your friends and family, and to go places such as a concert. That is extremely important that you increase your social circle. Travel. You can travel from LA to New York, from Detroit to Chicago. You can visit different places. This gives you personal responsibility. This teaches you adult responsibility, and you learn how to manage all the things you need in your life. Adventure. We all love adventure. When you learn how to drive, your whole world will expand. You can drive in your community. You can drive in your state. You can drive in your province. You can drive in your country. Freedom. We all love freedom. Your mom and dad are on your head, on your neck. You can get out and travel. You can go see your cousins. You can go see other members. It gives you the freedom to travel, to see different colleges, to see different states, to see different areas. And number 10, your future. I'm blessed to be here in this situation because I help young adults, teens and adults, build their future. If this brought you value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you.